Good evening all. Today we will be discussing a topic from PSIR Optional Paper 2, that is Approaches to the Study of International Relations. How do we study international relations? Is it something like studying the names of events or wars and year or naming the treaties? No. It is about understanding the country's behavior and why they behave so. It is about understanding why countries behave the way they do, or understanding the factors that influence a nation's foreign policy, or we are trying to find the driving forces that influence a country's decision in international arena. So there are different types of approaches in international relations, that is realist approach, liberalist and Marxist or feminist, post-colonialist. Different types of approaches are there. Each approaches are like you are wearing a typical type of lens and trying to view the world in your own perspective. Each lens changes how you see the world. That means if you are seeing with the world, if you are interpreting in a world even with the realist perspective, you will be always focusing on the power struggle underlying that event. That means realism is a theory that focuses on competitive and conflictual side of international politics. So whenever a realist trying to interpret a world event, he will be or she will be focusing on the competitive side like power struggle, etc. Whenever this is done by a liberalist, he or she will be focusing about the cooperation, lack of cooperation, or the amount of cooperation, or a failure or success of international organization. So whenever a Marxist is trying to interpret a world event, he will be trying or she will be trying to focus on the class struggle or imperialist intention behind this particular event. Why do we need different types of approaches? Because if you are studying in geography, we will use different types of map for mountain we use a type of a group of map, and to study the rivers we use different types of map. So we need to interpret the realities of world politics in different perspective. That means, just an example, if you are studying, if you are interpreting Ukraine-Russia war, this is ongoing Ukraine-Russia war, if you are using realist perspective, always a realist focus, that means it is due to the power struggle or power for hegemony, like that. USA trying to dominate world politics. So here we are using the realist perspective. So always focus on power and dominance. And a liberalist view, it is in a different types of perspective. He will say, a liberalist will say, this is because of the failure of international organization like the United Nations, so lack of cooperation between countries. And if a Marxist is trying to interpret this US-Russia war, obviously they will be focusing on the imperialist intention and class struggle. So one event and different interpretation. So the question, why these different types of approaches? No single one tell you the whole story. You need to understand these different types of approaches, then only you will be familiar with the complexities of world politics. In coming session, we will discuss each approach in detail. Thank you.